Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this simple but very delicious beans porridge with ripe plantain. Let's get started. To cook this delicious porridge, I start by selecting my beans. Today I'm using brown beans. Some other times I use black-eyed beans, so you can use any beans. After selecting it, I'll transfer into a bowl, pour in enough water and wash it for about 2 to 3 times. Then I'll transfer it into a pot with a boiling water. I'll allow it to parboil for about 7 minutes and then take it out and rinse off before we start the main cooking. Now I'll cover the beans and allow to cook until soft. This can take about 40 minutes, but if you're using pressure pot, it can take less than 20 minutes to cook. Our beans is well cooked and soft. It took about 15 minutes to get this soft. Now I'll go ahead and add the ripe plantain, which I've already cut into small chunks. And I'll also be adding some palm oil to it, about 3 tablespoons of palm oil. I have here some roughly blended pepper and onions. Add some salt, shrimp powder or crayfish powder. I'm also using smoked mackerel fish. You can use any protein or dry fish of your choice. Sorry, my camera went off at this point, but I only added 2 seasoning cubes to this and then mix it together. I'll then cover and allow everything to cook and mix together for about 10 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, our beans porridge is ready. Look at it, looking so beautiful. So we just stir up everything together. Let's test it for salt. Yummy, but it needs a little more salt, so I just added little more salt and stirred together too. Our porridge is ready and very delicious, but I have this curry leaf which I want to add to it. This is our Nigerian curry leaf and it will take these beans to another level. It made it even more delicious. If you have curry leaf, try adding it to your beans and thank me later. And after stirring this, I'll just cover it and allow the flavor to enter for just a minute, and then we serve our beans. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. I hope you have clicked that like button and also share to your friends and families. Thank you for doing that. And here we have our delicious beans and plantain porridge. It's not just looking very beautiful, it is also very, very delicious. It tastes so delicious. Try it out and let us know how yours turned out. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.